Welcome to Confianza Legal's podcast. My name is Mayda Flores Medrano, and I'm one of the co-founders.
My name is Edvin Flores, and I'm also one of the co-founders of the firm. Today, our topic is, can the police search my car, house, or person? And we get asked this question a lot, and one thing that we all have to remember is that we all have a Fourth Amendment right to privacy. What that means is that in order for an officer to search your house, person, or car, they have to have a warrant to do so. Generally, in order for them to get a warrant, they have to show sufficient facts or evidence to a judge to formulate what's called probable cause so that a judge can allow that search of your house, person, or vehicle. However, like in everything, there's always exceptions. An officer can search your house, your vehicle, or your person if it's incident to an arrest. So if you have been arrested, they have a right to pat you down and search you. If you've been arrested and as you were exiting your vehicle, they also have the right to search your vehicle. If you're arrested at your house, they have a right to search a reasonable area of your house. Now, another exception to that is if they've actually seen a crime being committed. So if you have your door open in your house and an officer walks by, sees drugs in your plain view, then yes, they can go in, arrest you, and they could search within a reasonable area of your house. Same thing with your vehicle or your person. Another exception to that is when there's exigent circumstances, meaning there's an emergency, an officer can search your house, vehicle, or person as well. Another one that's very important is when people give consent. Okay, so if an officer asks you for permission to go into your house, or to search your house, or to search your vehicle, or to pat you down, and you're not under arrest, you're not being investigated, then you can always say no and do not give that consent for them to search your house, your person, or your vehicle. A lot of people feel that they can't say no, and we see that every day. Just remember, we all have that constitutional right to privacy, and unless it falls within one of the exceptions or you consent, then an officer cannot search your house, person, or vehicle. Another question that we get asked is, well, I consented and they may have found some things. Am I done? Do I have to plead guilty to something? Well, the answer to that is let a seasoned, trained attorney look over the evidence, look over how they got to the evidence, whether it was in violation, whether your consent was valid or not, whether they had a warrant, or whether there was one of these enumerated exceptions that we discussed.
It's very important that obviously you not give that consent and exercise your right under the Constitution. But also you can always ask the officer, am I being detained for something? Am I free to leave? Do you have a warrant? If the answers to those things are no, you can leave the scene without fearing any repercussions. You can avoid that search unless they tell you, okay, well, I'm detaining you during waiting for a warrant to be executed. At that point in time, then you are being detained and you cannot leave. It's very important, like we said, that you know your rights, that you exercise your rights, and don't fight the authorities at that moment. Be polite with them, be respectful with them, and just give us the tools that we would need to be able to fight your case in court.
So friends, if you have found yourself in a situation where a law enforcement agent has searched your house, person, vehicle, whether you gave consent or not, call us. There's many ways that we can help to put you in the right path. You can reach us at 855-855-2171. Are you looking for experienced criminal defense attorneys? Look no further. We are a firm founded by brother and sister with over 30 years of expertise in handling criminal defense cases and DUI cases. Whether you're seeking a representation or you just want to feel like you're talking to a family member, we can help.
At our firm, we believe that everyone deserves to be treated with respect. That's why we offer direct communication with your lawyer and make sure to keep you informed of every aspect of your case. We understand that these situations can be difficult and sensitive, so we strive to provide compassionate service while also remaining aggressive in court when necessary. We are never afraid to go to trial if needed and will always provide an honest evaluation of your case as well as guide you on the best course of action for your particular situation. Plus, we have processes in place to ensure that all of your needs are responded to quickly. After all, time is a factor when it comes to legal issues.
For those who only speak Spanish, don't worry, our attorneys all speak fluent Spanish, so you will be able to communicate directly with them without any language barriers. No matter what kind of legal situation you are facing, rest assured knowing that our team has the knowledge and experience necessary to handle even the most complex cases.
At our firm, we prioritize customer service above all else because when it comes down to it, we consider ourselves part of a bigger family. If you're looking for experienced criminal defense attorneys who genuinely care about their clients and their cases, then look no further than us. With over 30 years of experience in this business, rest assured knowing that you'll be taken care of by true professionals. Get in touch today for more information about how we can help you out.
Call today 855-855-2171. 855-855-2171.
Confianza Legal.
855-855-2171.